Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So me and my wife just got approved for a joint account on Robinhood. So let me show you guys what that looks like. So right now I'm on my individual investing account. So in order to switch over to your joint account, you just click up here and then you can see select an account. You can select your individual investing account or a joint investing account. So I'm going to get started on my joint investing account here. One of the first things you have to actually do is actually fund your account. So I'm going to fund my account. You can start as little as with $1. So I'm going to click there. Okay, so since I already have a checking account linked to my individual account, that's what's showing up here on the top option. But if you don't, then you'll have to add a account. So I'm going to deposit, let's say $25 to fund my account here. So at the top I just type in 25, and right here I'm going to click on review, and then here I just have the option of just previewing what I'm doing. So it's going to be debiting $25 from this account up here, depositing to the joint account, which currently has 0 frequency. I'm just going to have just once here, and down here it says 25 will be deducted from your bank account within the next several days. It may take up to 5 business days to transfer. So I'm going to click on transfer down here. So deposit initiating, it's going to be depositing $25 into this joint account. Deposit confirmed, available to spend and withdraw on August 27th. Today is August 26th. I'm going to click on continue down here, and then it's telling me that I have instant deposit available. So I'm actually able to invest that $25 immediately rather than waiting for the banks to transfer the money over. So I'm going to click on done down at the very bottom here. Make your first investment. Your investing journey with whoever your co-signer is begins here. Okay, so I'm going to research an investment. Let's see what options I have. I'm pretty sure I have everything available to me other than crypto. Let's take a look at the top 100 most popular here. Okay, so you can see here I could buy shares of Tesla, Apple, Amazon, Nvidia, Microsoft. And it also shows you like how many shares that you have in your individual account as well. As I'm recording this, it is currently Sunday night, so I'm unable to actually purchase anything. However, let's look up like VOO. Okay, the Vanguard S&P 500 ETF here. Currently actually has a 25-hour market. Okay, so let's see how this has been doing. You can tap here for an advanced chart on any stock or ETF. So if I click there, that's what this looks like here. But I actually like the more simplified version, just the way it looks. Okay, so trying to get that off the screen. Okay, got that off the screen. So yeah, you could pretty much just look into any stock like you would on your individual account on Robinhood. So we could just look up Tesla and see how it is doing overnight. Looks like it's about to go on a dip here potentially. If you look at the week here, your ask and your bid, see how that's going for your bids and your ask. So that's available to you here as well. And right here you'll see, like, if I wanted to actually buy Tesla, it gives you that drop down, like, do you want to do it on your joint or do you want to do it on your individual? So okay, so I'm gonna just try putting a buy in for S&P 500. So let's do that. Let's see what it looks like currently after hours. I said recording this at midnight on a Sunday. So let's click on buy. Well, Sunday going into Monday. So right now I'm going to be trying to buy a stock on my joint account. So let's do $5. Click on there. You could trade VOO in whole shares on 24-hour market. To place an order for VO right now, trade whole shares on a 24-hour market, or you queue your fractional order for start of regular market hours at 9:30 a.m. Okay, so I could queue a fractional order. So let's do that. Let's queue a fractional order, and we're just gonna swipe up here, and it's sending the order. You could do like whole shares, as I was saying, in a 24-hour market, but since I don't have enough to actually purchase a whole share, we're just going to queue up a purchase for $5 worth of VOO. And right here, as you can see, that amount is queued up. Click on done. Congrats on making your first trade in the stock market. You've joined millions of others who have taken a significant step in investing for their future. Continue your journey. Okay, so there you go. Complete your investor profile. Okay, my profile is completed. So stocks aren't currently showing on here as they were on my individual account because I currently don't own any shares on the joint account, but that's just to give you an idea of what that looks like. And you can see now that I have VO showing under my stocks and ETFs because I do have a fractional share purchase queued up for tomorrow. But yeah, just wanted to show you guys what it looked like getting started with a joint account on Robinhood. If this video helped you out, hit that like button. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys later.